Hello, everybody. This is your macro writing station. In your macro writing station, you will find whatever story you are doing. It will be on either Common Lit or News ELA. In this folder, it shows you how to create a top-down web. Your main topic, which would be your story. Then your main ideas from the story. What was this about is what it's asking you. And then details about each one. That is how the first page shows you how to do it. Second page is an example of what not to do and what to do. And so the web, like you're used to, the spider web is what not to do. This one is the one to do. There is an example of one that would be finished. This is how you take your notes, 2-column notes from your web. You're basically copying your web into your 2-column notes. This is what your 2-column notes will look like on your own piece of paper. This basically shows you how to write a summary. It tells you all the steps of writing a summary. There is a process. On the next 2 sheets, you have an example of a blank one, and you have an example of a completely filled out one. You are supposed to do this on your own sheets of paper. Here is the blank one. Here is the one that's filled out correctly with the summary written on the back, which is assignment 3. Then you have transition words. The first piece of transition words is going to give you a basic score. The second one in your folder is going to give you a proficient score. And then the next thing you have in your folder is your last assignment, which is assignment 4. And in this assignment, it tells you the different levels of questioning. This is to help you with your EOG and understanding the questioning that you will have to answer. There is prompts on how to write your questions. Each one is from a different level. You need to pick 6 of them and make questions for the story that you read. The last page is once you've done this a couple times, you may just come up with your own question using these words. I've also provided handwritten copies of 4 assignments that you are supposed to do. Assignment 1, a top-down web. Assignment 2, the 2-column notes. The 2-column notes are just basically copying over your top-down web onto 2. And then assignment 3, which is your summary. So you can see how I wrote it on my own sheet of paper, and I did all the parts, and then I wrote my summary using transition words. And then 4, I wrote my questions from each thing, remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. That is your assignment for macro writing. If you have any questions after you read through the folder, please come and see me. Have fun!